You're looking at the microprocessors lab SwordFish alarm clock. It consists of a fully functional clock with an alarm. Also has a timer and a temperature gauge. We'll start off with the timer by selecting S3. Select S3 to set your minutes and S2 to set your seconds. Set at a minute and 5 seconds, and we'll select S2 to start the timer.
Hello?
Return back to menu, you press S1. Next we'll check out the temperature by selecting S3. As you can see, the temperature shows in real time. Press S3 to exit. Next we'll be looking at the clock. The clock features 6 different time zones in the US. We'll go ahead and select Central Time Zone with S1. To set the time, we'll select S1. We'll go ahead and set that to 5:13. We'll return to the menu. Now we can see the time in either of the other time zones. Select S2 to check out Eastern. Checking out the alarm clock. As you can see, the time says it's 5:20. Head over to the menu, select alarm clock. Go ahead and set it for 5:22. Now we'll just view the normal clock and wait for the alarm to go off. Alarm went off. Select S2 to exit. A PIC-DIM2 board along with a PIC-18 microprocessor is used to accomplish this project.